Hi, this is not me trying to teach you how to swing a sword. This is just me giving you an answer to your most commonly asked question. So, a lot of you have asked me what is the ideal answer to why do you want to join the Indian Army, Navy, or Air Force? So, let me tell you the ideal answer, the perfect answer is the truth. So, you must have some reason, right? कि क्यों join करना है? You must have watched a movie and that would have triggered some spark in you, or you must have some senior, you would have had NCC background, you would have been from an army, navy, or air force background, or you are from a completely civilian background, but you got to know how careers in the forces look like. Some officer gave a speech, some YouTube video, some Instagram reel you came across, and then you started preparing. Kuch to there would have been some starting point, na? So build your story from there. Tell how it started and how you have been motivated since then, and tell what all you have done for your preparation as well. Because very childish stupid answers like मैंने लक्ष्य मूवी देख लिया, उसमें ऋतिक रोशन कैरेक्टर बहुत पसंद आई तो आई वांट टू बी लाइक हिम, और आई एम इंस्पायर्ड बाय परमवीर चक्र कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा, so I want to become the youngest Paramveer Chakra. These are cocky answers. Fair enough to have those, but that is not a realistic approach or a logical approach to joining the army. You should have had some reason because you are choosing a career, right? This is not something you can go back. Uh, you can just join now and after 2 years you may regret. So have a strong reason, have your lifetime commitment to the armed forces, and build your answer accordingly. जो actual reason है उसको थोड़ा अच्छे तरीके से explain करने की कोशिश करना. That is all. You need to learn how to frame an answer. Your answer you already have. Whatever is inside you, the real reason why you want to join is the ideal answer. That is what you need to tell. Because otherwise, you will anyway get caught. Your PIQ is there, your other behaviors, your performances in all the tests are there in front of them. So, your reason to join the army should coincide with what you have shown across the 5 days. So, tell the real reason, but frame it in a good way. That's all. I hope I have answered your question. Upcoming reels will be on the other FAQs I've got. If you haven't asked your question yet, there will be a Google form in my story. You can go submit your question there. And in upcoming videos, your questions will also be answered. That's all. Jai Hind.